If you can see, all the boxes are behind me. I've just started packing. The house is a mess, like a literal mess. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to get rid of all those decorations and the ones on the Christmas tree and put them into boxes. I can show you my progress, but the house is messy, so just... Okay, so before we continue, I just want to say we're actually selling off the sofa and the dining table because at the new place, I have a dining table and a sofa and I don't want to carry this around. It's like super heavy. So I actually already have buyers. I'm just waiting for them to come pick it up. But I'm thinking like when they pick it up, everything is going to be empty. So I'm just going to put a carpet on the floor and sit down. So let me just quickly show you what I've done. Giant, I've just finished packing my kitchen stuff. So these two are kitchen stuff. In that box down there are all my non-perishable food like rice and sugar and all that stuff. And here, this is just my kitchen trays. I've got all my rugs. Like I have a lot of rugs, so I've put my rugs in here. Can you guys see? Everything is a mess. I'm trying to sort out this situation. Like these are stuff, kitchen stuff that I don't want to take and go. So I'm just sorting this out. Yesterday, I cleared out all the plates and pans from underneath the sink. And I gave it a thorough wash. So I've just left it open to dry. Those are some cups and plates that I've left out for me to continue eating. And this room, I actually cleaned it up. It was super messy. There were clothes everywhere. I have washed the clothes, put away the clothes, and I've cleared my pantry shelves already. I've left out some Maggi mee for me to eat. Those I want to check if my friends want it. If not, I'll put it back in my mother-in-law's house. And let's see. So yeah, I think that so far that's what I've done. I'm just going to quickly remove all the decorations and put them into boxes. Hi guys, so it's the next day. Miro and Gayu are here to help. Hello. So we're just sort of just cleaning up everything. Stuff. Okay, so let's try to figure out this whole mess. And I have to pack all the lights.
Hi, bro. Ashyy, don't lock all the camera.
We're actually trying how to pack the earrings. We have no idea. We will figure it out. I've just hung up my blazer. We will take this in the car. And these are outfits for work. I have another, I think, 3 more days of work. So I actually have 2 outfits here and 1 in the bag. I've packed all my clothes in this box. So I've actually got 2 boxes of clothes. I've sort of rolled it up because it saves space actually. So hi guys, so it's actually the day where we are loading things into the lorry. The lorry will only be leaving tomorrow morning for KL, so today night we're actually loading everything in. Everything is almost done. I would say 99% there. We're waiting for someone to come and dismantle this cupboard. I will show you how things look like, because after this we're just quickly loading into the lorry. I just got a call. The lorry is actually already on the way. the moving team is here.
Since when we become moving team?
My personalized moving team. So I'm gonna just put you all on time lapse. We are almost about 90% done. We're all taking a break.
This is the 6th time she's shifting in 5 years.
Yes,
She's torturing us.
absolutely true.
This is what the house looks like now. I'm just going to quickly clean things up. Wouldn't be nice to leave it like this. So today was moving day. I'm so tired. Okay, let me just tell you what actually happened today. I was supposed to film the whole moving in process, but what happened is, so the house that we're staying in now is an apartment. So where the lorry waited for us to sort of unload the things, the lorry was not actually allowed to come inside where the lift is. So what I was thinking was unload it near the lift and then just bring it up and then bring it, you know. But the lorry was too high, and also management did not allow the lorry to like come in because of spacing and heightness. So the lorry basically just stood quite far, and then we sort of unloaded and walked all over to the lift. So that was tiring, and I was not able to pick up my camera and film. And then I meant to do an empty apartment tour. That didn't happen because number one, it's not actually empty, because like you see, this couch channel is the owner's one. There's dining table and there's a bunch of stuff that's already here, so it wouldn't be technically an empty apartment tour. So I was thinking, if I do an empty apartment tour and then do like my full tour, you wouldn't notice much of a difference because a lot of the stuff is actually already here. I just brought like my clothes and stuff, so I'm going to put that into one video that will be coming up. Definitely coming up. So yeah, actually when I first walked in, I wanted to just give you like an overview, but the whole moving process was so I mean, those of you who have moved know what I mean. Like my friends, remember my friend said yesterday that I've moved 6 times in the past 5 years. But I'm so excited to be finally here. Slightly bittersweet because my friends actually go back today. The 2 girls, they actually came to actually help me to put everything in, and they will be going back today. Slightly sad, I'm not gonna lie, but it's just part of the decision, and I think I might cry when they go. Yeah, so they will be going back. And if you're wondering about the dogs are all with me. They are sort of settling in to the place as well, so I need to... Oh, you're gonna drop. You're going to fall. Okay. So I sort of need to get like a whole routine going on for them. we will do that as I settle in, but as of now, I'm so excited to be finally here, back in my city. I don't know how to feel. Like, I've been dreaming of this moment for such a long time that when it's actually happening, I'm like, I'm like literally thinking like, is this really happening? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching until here. I hope you enjoyed the whole moving vlog. It was crazy. A lot of it I'm actually documenting for my own memory, that when I watch it down a couple of months, years from now, I'll actually have the memory to hold on to. Thank you again for watching until here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.